Hello and welcome back to Humans and Society. This video focuses on the topic of Donald Super's career development theory under the subject Personal Development. Donald Super influenced the idea that developing a sense of self and realize that you change over time is important when planning your career. One of Donald Super's greatest contributions to career development has been the emphasis on the importance of the development of self-concept. According to Super, self-concept changes over time and develops as a result of experience. As such, career development is lifelong. Super developed the theories and work of colleague Eli Ginsberg. Ginsberg's theory enumerated 3 stages in a person's career development: fantasy from birth to 11 years old, tentative from 11 to 17 years old, and realistic after age 17. Super thought that Ginsberg's work had weaknesses, which he wanted to address. Super extended Ginsberg's life and career development stages from 3 to 5 and included different sub-stages. Before we continue, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell for notifications. Comment below for topics you would like to be discussed in future videos. Super argues that occupational preferences and competencies, along with an individual's life situations, all change with time and experience. Super developed the concept of vocational maturity, which may or may not correspond to chronological age. People cycle through each of these stages when they go through career transitions. Stage 1 of Super's career development theory is growth, which begins from birth and lasts up to 14 years old. It is characterized by the development of self-concept, attitudes, needs, and the general world of work. Stage 2, or exploration, happens from 15 to 24 years old. This includes trying out different careers through classes, work, and hobbies, and then we form a tentative choice and skill development. Stage 3, establishment, is from 25 to 44 years old. In this stage, a person builds entry-level skills and stabilizes his career through work experiences. Stage 4, or maintenance, is from 45 to 64 years old. It is characterized by the continual adjustment process to improve one's position. Stage 5, or decline, happens at age 65 and older. It is characterized by reduced output as the person prepares for retirement. Super states that in making a vocational choice, individuals are expressing their self-concept or understanding of self, which evolves over time. People seek career satisfaction through work roles in which they can express themselves and further implement and develop self-concept. The ideas discussed in this video are based on the content standards of the Department of Education. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next lesson.